Hello everyone, today I'll be showing you guys on how to set up Velocity and PaperMC for your server and how to configure it. So let's begin. First, what we are going to be doing is to install Velocity and Paper. So go for Paper, download 1.20.2 and save it. Same goes for here, download the latest and save it. Once they're all downloaded, we have our folder here that has Velocity, Lobby and Games folders along with our start.bat. First of all, we are going to be copying the start.bat, link in the description, and pasting it to the Velocity. And copying our Velocity and pasting it to the Velocity folder. And after, we are going to be renaming the velocity.jar to server.jar. And same goes for the lobby. Now copy start.bat and copy paper. Now we can close our downloads folder. Now we need to rename the paper to server2. And now what we're going to be doing is to set up Velocity first. We're going to be starting the server and everything looks cool. Good. Now we're going to be setting up the velocity.toml. So from here, what we have is our Velocity port, Velocity server info. You'll name it. Can't find. Go down. Here's our forwarding mode, and we're going to be setting it to modern. Of course, if it is higher than 1.13. Now we're going to be going on the bottom parts, actually around middle, and deleting the minigames and the forced hosts. Now here we have a lobby and the factions that we are going to be naming as games. Now we're going to be setting our port to 25565 and this one will be 25566. These are our server ports. Now before that, we have another thing to open your forwarding secret and just let it stay here. It will be useful. Now what we are going to be setting up is our lobby. Go for lobby, start the batch file. It will install Minecraft 1.20.2. And now what we're going to do is to set the EULA to true and save it out. We can now restart the server. And now the server is set. Now it's time to configure it. Go for server properties. First disable online mode. And now we are done. We can now minimize the server properties and go for config and go for paper global YML. Go to the bottom and find velocity. Enable velocity in online mode. And now what we're going to do is to copy the forwarding secrets and paste it here. Now what's going on? We have set up our Velocity server currently. So we are just going to copy this, paste it to games, go for server properties and set the port to 25566 since it is what games port is. So now we are just set it up Velocity. We have forwarded our ports, our servers to Velocity so it can work. Now we are just going to launch all of our servers to see if it works or not. Alright, our server is up and running. Now we are going to be log on to Minecraft. We go to multiplayer, add server and localhost Now, what is our Velocity port? It is 25577. 25577. We're just gonna click done. As you can see, our server is running with the info can find. Now we enter to our server. It is up and running, and as you can see, server, games, and we can switch servers too. So this is all about Velocity setup, and in the next video I'll be setting up Rusty connector, and after that there'll be a bunch of updates about Slime World Manager and other plugins like Luck Perms and more. So keep following, hit that subscribe button and hit that like button. Have a nice day. See ya.